Beaches are often the reason for making a holiday in Havelock memorable, but it is the food around that gives the lifetime memories. So here we are with 8 top-notch places to eat in Havelock Island on your next trip. Have a look. First in the list is Something Different, a beachside cafe. True to its name, Something Different offers a truly diverse and amazing meal experience. They serve mouth-watering Indian, Chinese and continental dishes combined with delicious milkshakes and light snacks. Second in the list is Bonova Cafe and Pub. Bonova is the family restaurant that serves great seafood, continental and oriental cuisines with a serene ambience and live music. And if you are a real foodie, this cafe will give you the ultimate pleasure in taste after having the mouth-watering dishes. Third is Full Moon Cafe. A view of the beach, friendly staff and delightful food. There is no place that brings all these together like Full Moon Cafe. This charming restaurant is one of Havelock's most recommended restaurants, and all items prepared here by using the local and fresh ingredients. Fourth is Fat Martin Cafe. Named after its friendly manager Martin, Fat Martin is more about food than service. The restaurant offers Indian and Asian cuisines, and the most famous dishes at Fat Martin is chicken curry with rice and pizza. We also recommend you to try a dessert named Hello to the Queen. Number 5 is Red Snapper. Red Snapper is part of Wild Orchid Beach Resort. With their rich ambience and decoration of polished bamboos, it is one of the most famous seafood fine dining restaurants in Havelock. For dinner, they exhibit their fresh seafood on an ice podium in middle of the restaurant so that you can choose your fish, crab or lobster depending on the size and price tag. Number 6 is Barefoot Bayside Brasserie, commonly known as B3, situated near to Havelock Jetty. Their menu caters mainly continental dishes and most are cooked to perfection. The pizza and pasta are the hot favorite items on the menu. Seventh is Anju Coco Restro, with a menu that combines the best of local cuisines along with Chinese, Indian, seafood and Asian cuisines. The restaurant offers a mouth-watering lineup of dishes that are sure to make you hungry with just the smell. This place is known for the seafood barbecues, especially the grilled tuna, which is phenomenal in taste and flavor. Number 8 is Kerala Cafe. If you are looking for the authentic South Indian cuisines, so Kerala Cafe is the best option for you. Situated at the Govind Nagar in Havelock Island, Kerala Cafe serves snacks, idli, dosa, sambar and you can also try the delicious seafood here. That is all in this video. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel for regular travel related videos. A big thanks from our team, Tripscart Holidays.